So right now we're outside the Worldwide Engineering Brigade, where we can see some of the early experiments that have been set up by Peter Parker and the other inventors. Once we head inside, we actually get to meet Peter Parker, and he's going to demonstrate some of these really cool technologies. But when things get out of hand, his buddy Spider-Man shows up and invites us to help him on a mission to save Avengers Campus.
For help now?
Web Slingers, a Spider-Man adventure, is a brand new attraction here at Avengers Campus where guests are actually going to go along with Spider-Man and get to sling webs while on a mission. Avengers Campus is all about inspiring and empowering the next generation of heroes. And I'm so excited to finally see guests able to come in and actually get to not just see heroes, not just meet their favorite heroes, but actually become a hero. So Web Slingers, a Spider-Man adventure, is the first time that Walt Disney Imagineering has ever created a Spider-Man attraction, and we're so excited to create one that's for guests of all ages. Even our youngest superheroes are going to be able to sling webs with Spidey. We've hidden so many Easter eggs inside of Web Slingers, the Spider-Man adventure, that guests are going to come back over and over and over again, always finding new things to do, always finding better ways to play, and learning how to work together as a team.
You guys were amazing!